If you are looking for precision and versatility in your woodworking projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of the best 12-inch sliding compound miter saws. From smooth bevel cuts to seamless sliding action, these power tools are game changers. Check out the links in the description box for in-depth reviews and where to find these top-notch saws. Now, let's level up your craftsmanship. DeWalt DWS779 Miter Saw. The DeWalt DWS779 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. With a stainless steel detent plate featuring 10 positive stops, its 12-inch blade ensures accurate miter angles. The cam lock handle and tall sliding fences support 6 3/4-inch base vertically, providing versatility. Dual horizontal steel rails with a clamping mechanism enhance accuracy, and the efficient dust collection system keeps your workspace clean. It bevels 0 to 48 degrees left and right, offering flexibility for various cutting needs. This corded miter saw is a reliable companion for woodworking projects, boasting a durable construction backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Makita LS1219L Miter Saw. The Makita LS1219L 12-inch sliding compound miter saw stands out with its unique 2-steel rail sliding system, offering single slide glide operation and allowing flush operation against a wall. This 12-inch miter saw excels in capacity, handling up to 8 inches crown molding and 15 inches crosscuts at 90 degrees. The in-front bevel lock, direct drive motor, and dual dust collection ports contribute to its convenient and efficient design. With a robust construction, innovative features like a brake, and included accessories, this corded miter saw is a reliable choice for professionals, backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Metabo HPTC12RSH2S Miter Saw. Crafted for professional applications, the Metabo HPTC12RSH2S is a robust 12-inch sliding compound miter saw, delivering impressive power and precision in its design. Its 15 amperes motor tackles tough cutting jobs with ease, and the laser marker system enhances cutting accuracy. The saw offers a wide range of miter and bevel angles for flexibility, with positive stops and indications for quick and easy settings. The vertical handle with a vibration-reducing grip ensures comfort and control. Compact slide system and a 5-year warranty make it a reliable choice for precision cutting tasks. Davamon DMS03A Miter Saw. The Davamon DMS03A is a powerful 12-inch sliding compound miter saw delivering exceptional cutting power with its 15 amperes motor. With dual bevel capabilities and 9 positive stops, it offers precision and versatility in various cutting applications. The built-in adjustable laser ensures accurate cutting, and the integrated guide rail system expands the work surface for larger projects. This saw comes as a comprehensive package with essential accessories, providing everything you need for efficient and precise cutting. With a 2-year limited warranty, it's a reliable tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. MM1214T Miter Saw. Engineered for precision and power, the MM1214T is a 15 amperes 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, meticulously crafted for accurate and robust cutting capabilities. With a variety of features, including a Class II laser guide, LED work light, and adjustable bevel and miter angles, this saw offers clarity and precision in every cut. It has a substantial cutting capacity, making it suitable for a range of projects. The onboard accessories, including a 60-tooth carbide tipped blade and retractable table extensions, enhance its functionality. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this miter saw is a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. As we wrap up our journey through the best 12-inch sliding compound miter saws, remember, precision meets power in every cut. Choose the perfect blend for your craftsmanship, and let your creations unfold with seamless perfection.